While stuck in this boredom hell caused by the current global pandemic, I decided to try and make lamb jerky since I had tons of free time and an appetite bigger than Kirby's. First, mix some salt and water together to mix the lamb in. Then soak, or in my case massage the lamb, I guess.
Nice.
Once the lamb has been soaked, cut thin strips off it using a cleaver that you really should not be allowed to use. If you have any dummy chunks of meat, use a smaller knife to cut it in half. I personally recommend cutting it slowly so you can keep your fingers on your body. It'll take some time for you to mutilate the lamb in ways that are probably considered war crimes. By that, I mean fully butcher the lamb into small pieces like Hannibal Lecter. Now, like Hannibal, you have to season your victims. First, put 2 tablespoons of salt in. Make sure not to pour too much like I did, otherwise it'll be a bit too salty, just like a Yasuo player. Then throw in a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme to appease the Time Lords. Now throw a butt ton of olive oil, rosemary, pepper, and chili pepper into the bowl. I don't actually know the quantities of these ingredients, so I would just eye it. Mix the lamb in the witch's concoction that you created. Make sure to mix it gently and thoroughly. Pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours and taste the salty goodness. Thank you for watching my weird mess of a video. See you next time.